Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your ultimate guide to navigating the tech world one tap at a time. Today, we are answering a common topic, top 9 secret hacks on WhatsApp. Here's a quick overview of what we will dash through. 1. Change your chat wallpaper. 2. Pin important chats. 3. Hide your last scene. 4. Send a message to yourself. 5. Mute groups and chats. 6. Use WhatsApp as a scanner. 7. Dark mode. 8. Send a live location. 9. Hide blue ticks. Let us get started. Step 1. Change your chat wallpaper. Open WhatsApp. Tap the chat that you want to change the wallpaper. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select wallpaper. Time to give your chats a glow out. Pick your vibe. Bright, dark, solid colors, or choose a photo from your gallery. Found the one? Tap Set Wallpaper and your chat's got a makeover. Step number 2. Pin important chats. Open WhatsApp, scroll through your chats, tap and hold the chat. Don't worry, it won't bite. At the top of your screen, tap the little pin icon. Step number 3. Hide your last scene. Here's how to go incognito. Open WhatsApp. Again. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then hit Settings. Go to Privacy, tap on Last Seen and Online. Under Who Can See My Last Seen, choose Everyone, My contacts except Nobody. Step number 4. Send a message to yourself. Open WhatsApp, tap the green chat icon in the bottom right. At the top of the contact list, you will see Message Yourself with your name and profile photo. Tap it and start typing like you are your own personal assistant. You can even pin this chat to the top to make it your personal note palm. Step number 5. Mute groups and chats. Open WhatsApp and find the group or person you want to mute. Tap and hold the chat until it is selected. Tap the mute icon, a speaker with a line through it at the top of the screen. Choose how long you want the chat muted. 8 hours, 1 week, always. Step number 6. Use WhatsApp as a scanner. Open the chat, tap the paperclip icon for attachments. Select camera. Take a clear photo of your document. Before sending, you can crop, rotate, or add text or drawings. Tap Send, and you've just scanned a document like a pro. Step number 7. Dark mode. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Tap Settings from the drop-down list. From the Settings menu, go to Chats. Tap Theme under the Chat section. Select Dark to enable Dark Mode. Pro tip: Dark Mode isn't just for WhatsApp. It will give your entire phone a sleeker look if you choose System Default. Plus, it is easier on your eyes when you are scrolling through late-night chats. Because who doesn't like texting at 2 a.m.? Step number 8. Send a live location. Open the chat with the person or group you want to share your location with. Tap the paperclip icon. On the options that appear, select Location. Tap on Share Live Location. You will then be asked to select how long you want to share your location. 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Pick the duration that suits you. Tap Send to share your live location with your selected contacts. Step number 9. Hide blue ticks. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Tap Settings from the drop-down. Go to Privacy. Scroll down and toggle off the Read Receipts option. This is what controls the blue ticks. When turned off, people won't see when you have read their messages. Great for when you want to keep the mystery alive. And that's a wrap. You've just unlocked 9 awesome WhatsApp hacks. From changing your chat wallpaper and pinning important chats to hiding your last scene and sending messages to yourself. Whether you are muting noisy groups, using WhatsApp as a scanner, or switching to dark mode, these tricks will level up your WhatsApp game. WhatsApp isn't just for chatting. It is your all-in-one tool for staying connected, organized, and having fun. Master these hacks, and you'll be a WhatsApp pro in no time. If this guide helped you unlock some cool new tricks, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more awesome tips. Which hack are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments and maybe share this with a friend who is still trying to figure out how to mute group chats. Until next time, keep chatting, keep laughing, and stay connected with wireless solutions. Bye for now.